Animals from A to Z. Letter A for ant. B for bear. C for cat. D for dog. E for eagle. F for frog. G for giraffe. H for horse. I for iguana. J for jellyfish. K for koala. L for lion. M for monkey. N for newt. O for otter. P for panda. Q for quail. R for rat. S for shark. T for tiger. U for woodcarry. V for vulture. W for wolf. X for xanthus. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more lessons.